Yeah, bro, no problem. Bro, you gotta have more beard, bro. Seems like this holds a lot more than my Husqvarnas do. I hate when these trees fall. It'll take decades for them to grow again. But this one is down. So we're gonna turn this, into firewood. And we're gonna use the Wolf Ridge Manufacturing 28 Pro, and we're going to bust that wood up. We're gonna first cut up this tree, and then we're going to split up the wood on the wood splitter, and then we're going to put it into crates so that we can move it around where we need it to be. They probably need to come down too. That's probably not today, although that sucker is leaning. That one, we'll probably drop that one too, I guess. Probably just try to hit this with a skid steer and see if it'll actually come down. Looks like it's standing dead. The bark's already falling off of it. And then we got a few others. But the main thing right now is we're gonna chop this up. I wanna use this saw that I've not used. I'm going to use the Milwaukee electric chainsaw out here as well to limb some of this with. I do not have extra chains for either of them. So we've got about 2 hours before lunch. Can we chop this all up? And the truth is, I don't know. I'm not a saw guy like Chris Watkins or like Bear is. Bear would laugh and be like, yeah, bro, no problem. Bro, you gotta have more beard, bro. But I'm gonna cut this up. And I think we're gonna bring the skid steer out, put the forks under it to kind of lift it up and kind of buck it up. All right, Canada Prepper said that all you need to buck this tree up is this Silky saw. So if you want to grab one side of it, I'll grab the other and we'll two-man it. Yeah, that thing's barely cutting. Might have to just break out the old Silky. Canada Prepper was right. Would you look at that? The Silky saws are pretty badass. Silky Ultra XL 240 curve. I actually bought this from Canada Prepper. 20-ish cut so far off of XC6 battery. And that's oak.
How much juice you have left in there?
That's a good question. 3 bars. But I mean, that's deceptive though.
I mean, if you still have more than 2, then that's seriously impressive.
Saying 3. The damn big battery is like $500
right.
to fix this thing. Can you tell I don't know what I'm doing when I'm cutting this? That was fast.
There you have it, Will.
We started at right about 11. We're at 11:54. Every time I touch a chainsaw in video, like 100 dudes are like, "Oh my God, I don't know how you didn't kill yourself. Give me the advice." I know I got some dudes that watch, my content that know a lot more about saws than I do.